This is another view of the power supply. The fan is on, the bottom. There's the hookups for it. Word of advice, this case has the vents on the bottom, so you're going to want to put the fan pointing down so the air goes out. And even though the lettering's upside down on this side, it's right side up on this side, so don't go by the lettering. Just use, common sense. Put the fan towards the vent and put your power supply in, put the screws on it, and you're good to go. And then maybe they'll leave enough room so I can get the wires in and stick my hand in there, which I think I do, because the wires are probably come this way. Let me see if I can give you a better look there. So even though it's upside down, the vent is on the bottom. This is the fan. See, the fan is in there. And that should keep you out of trouble.